Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fit any image to the shape or frame in Canva. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm on my Canva. So let me insert one shape here. Okay, or frame. So I just search for frames. So we have the lots of frame here. So let me take one simple frame like okay this. Now let me insert one image here. Okay, just take this one. Okay, if I blow up this image on this shape, you can see this shape has been filled with the all image, but if I double click on that image, you can see that some part of image has been cut down. Okay, so you can see you can't minimize the image size. Okay, you can maximize it but can't be minimize, because the shape has been designed to fill entire the image. Okay, you can't cross that shape size with the image, so you can't minimize the image at some point, but you can maximize it. Okay, so how can fill with this image, how you can fill this frame with the image, full image. So there is a one two trick I will show you one by one. So let me undo this process first. Okay, the first option you can do, you can lock the image. Okay, a shape, sorry, frame. Okay, select that frame, go to the background color. Okay, you make the background color white or whatever you want, so I just make it white. Okay, I just visible that outer line. Okay, now you need to just select the three dot more option and go to the lock and lock the that frame. So I have just locked the frame. Now just select your image and don't blow up, just keep at side, and you can put into the image like this. Okay, you can remove the background of this image, or you can crop the image like this, and you can make the size as per your frame size and keep as it is. Okay, and make the okay, once you lock your frame or that shape, you can't move it. Okay, so before you lock the frame, you just manage your size and place. So now we have done, we have keep we have put that image and make it fill or fit into the shape or frame, you can see. Okay, the second method, that just let me undo. Okay, now we have shapes. Okay, like this, make sure its outer is visible. Okay, you can do one thing, just add the another page, put the your image on it. Okay, you can crop your image. Okay, and just maximize the size and make sure keep the some blank page at side, up, down, or left or right. Okay, now you go to the share, go to the see all, and just make a copy clipboard. The page number 2 has been selected. Now just copy that clipboard. Okay, now we have copied. Now come to the first page and just copy paste here. Okay, so now we have that image. Now just put that image into it. Okay, so you can see this image has been placed into that. You can remove that background, but still okay, some part has been cut down, you can see. So you have to just minimize that image more minimization you need to do. You can remove the background. Okay, so we need to minimize this edge. Okay, corner. So I have already minimized. Let me go to the see all and make the copy to clipboard. Okay, just copy it. Now let me delete this one. I need to paste that copied clipboard image here. Okay, now you can see this image has been fit into that frame or shape. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.